Strange sights in the sky. And look at this strange sight. There's the energy globe to the left. Now see that other light flashing? Yeah. See, it's all different ways. Can a drone do that? I don't think so. See, it was to the left, to the right. It's all over the friggin' place. I don't think planes have any kind of these lights, sky strobe lights like from a 70s disco bash. But, now I seem to, no, here it is. See it? It's real faint. Maybe it's passing away or something. I don't know. Made it darker. Alright, that's enough for this one. You are really out tonight. Really radiant, changing shape. Many colors. Do you like the cold weather? No? Yes. And now emerald. Can you change to red again? No, that's not red, but that's good. That's good. Do you see me? Can you see me down below? Yes. Yes, you do. Wow. Tuesday night, November 7th. Wow, there goes a projectile 2023. I don't know how anyone, except myself, doesn't notice you. However, I'm glad they don't. You seem to be able to disperse your energy when I took pictures of you and then come back together. Is that correct? Is that correct? Ugh. A break in communication. Communication breakdown. Well, I'm really debating people, strange sighters, to put all these great shots I got of this, my friendly alien energy in the sky in full bloom tonight, expanding its atoms and then coming together. It's unbelievable to see. Yes. I see some more colors in you. Yes. Do you understand me? I guess so, yes. Now I see you have some green and red. Now you're small. Now you're bigger. Get bigger. Bigger than this. Smaller. No, larger. Yes. Oh. I'm good. I have my tripod. I should say my selfie stick to film this incredibly bright light in the sky. And as I've explained in other videos, when I look outside the iPhone that I'm filming it on, it doesn't doesn't look completely round looking at it with the naked eye. I have to put some clothes on that. It almost looks like it's got little stalagmites sticking out of it or antennas, but clearly I'm facing the same way. What I'm filming is what I'm seeing outside of my camera. And here it is round. But that's not what I see outside my camera. Camera phone. And lately, nobody's been really responding to my shorts unless they're like, I don't know, 10 seconds or something, 20 seconds. Try 3 or 4 seconds. Those seem to be the ones that go not viral, but get a couple of thousand views. It's a nice evening, a little windy. It's starting to get to the normal November weather. And I am not a weatherman. But you can really see it, folks, spinning around. A lot of revolutions per second. Can't imagine like hundreds of thousands of turns a second. Well, it's spinning around real fast. Yeah. Steady. My strong left arm. I am left-handed. Did you know I was left-handed, friend in the sky? Oh, you did know. I tapped the screen and asked the question and it got bigger. Now I really see you spinning. Yeah, when I post this either tonight before I go to bed or first thing in the morning, I think I'm going to attach. I took about 6 or 7 really good shots and several that your energy, my friend, kind of broke up and expanded like an explosion, then it came back together. Are we all a product of that? Are we all the same thing you are in the sky? Whoa. You heard it here, folks. He said yes, he got big when I asked that question. Meaning, this thing in the sky is a visible energy, an energy can only be created, not destroyed. I am energy. I am strength. I am power. It's like a light green outside color and a beige circle spinning around in the middle. And it's changed to several different colors: red, emerald. One could say, and I didn't even bring this up before, that it's kind of like a nebula. Wow, there goes a projectile. What the hell are those things? What do you think about that, my friend in the sky? Ooh, he doesn't think anything of it. Do you think that's a pretty good story? Yes. Yes, I do think that's a good story. And I'm almost coming to the end of this video, folks. Gotta fill the airtime with some talk. Always trying to keep it interesting here on Strange Sights. I am the Strange Sighter, and I hope that you are too. Again, I want to thank all the people tuning in worldwide. I love it. Keep them coming. Keep Strange Sighting on my channel. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing any of the vids you see on here, as I'm trying to spread the wonder worldwide. I was away for a few days. Once in a while I do that to break the monotony, or the weather, it's just too cloudy to get tonight is not cloudy at all. After cloudy so long, or it had been rainy, bad weather conditions. So when that happens, I still go out, take shots, and see when I get home if there's anything on film. And sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. But tonight there definitely is. And at the end of this video, I'm going to take a few more pictures of you, my friend. What do you think about that, huh? Well, you like to change shape, don't you? Yes. You heard it here, people. You see it, you can see it spinning around. The sphere has high energy in it, and it can change shape, and it can change colors, and it can respond to my questions. Well, can you get bigger? Bigger than that. Much bigger. A little bigger. Oh, is that all about thighs? I don't think so. Well, depends on the situation. So, folks, with that being said, I'll try to be more discreet. A little humor for you there. I do see some outside clouds around this. My friend in the sky, it is always great to see you. Whoa, more projectile lights. And Strange Sights.